girls. Today we are going to be building some illegal techniques. So go grab your bricks so you can follow along with us at home. So today, for our illegal technique, our Illegalest Legos technique, you are going to need these three pieces. A 2x6 plate, one of these 2x6s with like 4 holes, and then it's raised up a stud higher. And then you're going to need a 2x8 with like the edge, kind of. So once you get all these pieces, then you can build it. So the first thing you want to do, you have to do this for the first thing, otherwise it won't work. You need to take this, which is a 2x6, and on the 2x6 with the 4 studs, put it on there. So you have kind of like this junction, and then you can put it on top of here like this. And see, kind of, there's a little triangle in there. So it's illegal. Now you're probably wondering, why the heck would you want to do this? Well, it kind of angles it a little bit. So if you need that for a build, that might be nice. So I made a bigger one right here. And this is the same piece. So it couldn't be a nice wall or something. So you can't see it, but it's kind of angled. So yeah, that's basically it. Uh-oh.